Welcome back to Journey to Nail. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and joining this journey with me. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I turned this cubby style bookcase into a platform for my pedicure area. When choosing the piece of furniture that you're going to use for this DIY project, you want to ensure that the furniture is already pretty sturdy on its own. If you start with a bad foundation, this will be a failed DIY project. Failed, I tell you, failed! To enclose the front and back of my platform, I'm going to be using a 3/4 4x4 piece of plywood. This plywood was cut into size to fit my platform a little perfectly, and I'm going to be using some wood screws to mend everything together. I used about 3 to 4 screws on each side to secure the plywood to the platform. Once I was satisfied with that, I went in with some peel and stick vinyl towels, and I'm going to just line them up perfectly on the top of the platform as well as on the sides. I'm not using any extra adhesive, just the towels. This is our beautiful platform. I did take some aluminum corner bead to mend the spaces between the plywood and the towels. You can see it right here where I kind of paused it. And yeah, that is my pedicure area, my pedicure platform, and this completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have another video going into a little bit more detail about the products and everything I use in my pedicure area and my lighting and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!